Well, hello, I'm Dr. Cheryl, and welcome to this new video, Love Bite, on the number one most important, underrated, ignored quality that predicts great relationship with your sweetheart. Oh, wait, I gotta go, I don't have time. What? Oh, you'd like to know what that is? Okay. Yeah, you're gonna be surprised. The number one most important quality to have a great relationship, it's not learning the Kama Sutra. It's not going to therapy for hundreds of years and learning all the techniques on how to keep love alive. It's speaking kindly to your sweetheart. Say what now? Speaking kindly to your sweetheart. I call it kind speech. Look, this is a really underrated skill, not just in our homes, but in society. We certainly know that being rude, being impatient, having a really nasty kind of tone of voice, because hurry up already, is endemic in our culture. If you watch a TV show from the 1950s, everybody was super nice to each other. Now, I'm not naive, but culturally, it's become completely acceptable to be rude and nasty, to make fun of people, to have a contemptuous tone of voice, to be critical, and to just be kind of big whiny baby. I'm sorry, but I'm calling it like I see it and hear it. And I'm guilty too. I have a very expressive voice. You can tell. I'm a professional speaker. And when I turn that trained voice to the dark side, I can sound so nasty to my beloved, dripping with sarcasm or sharpness, or choosing words that are just rude instead of kind and loving. I want you to practice for the next week speaking kindly to your sweetheart. A while ago, I used to do TV, and I was developing a couple TV shows with an incredibly great producer in Vancouver. Her name was Heather, and she and her hubby had two boys. I think their boys were about 6 and 8 at the time, and they had a really loving household, really sweet. The way they treated each other was very kind. They were exceptionally skilled at being kind and loving. And one day, she was harried, she was tired, they were running late. Her son was, I guess, fussing around, not getting ready on time, and she spoke to him a little bit sharply. And again, this was incredibly unusual in their household. She said something like, "Johnny, come on, hurry up, we've got to go to school." And he looked at her with these huge eyes filled with tears in the corners, and his lip was shaking, and he said, "Mommy, is that how you would talk to me if you loved me?" She told me that story, and I said, first of all, kudos on having such a loving speech household, that one impatient comment was a shock to your son. That is astounding. You are amazing. But secondly, let's all learn from that. Is that how we would talk to you if we loved you? Probably not. So that's your teaching for today, today's Love Bite. If you have friends, maybe friends who don't speak to each other very nicely, and you think they could benefit from this video, get them to join the list, forward it to them. They might want to sign up for weekly Love Bites every Tuesday morning delivered to your email box. Sometimes there are videos, sometimes there's a short written teaching, sometimes I link you to a podcast I've done for a deeper dive on some of these topics, but it's such a delight to be with you in this format. Can't wait to see you next time. For now, speak softly and do not carry a big stick. Be kind speech. Just be damn nice to your sweetheart. Bye for now.